welcome to Seriously Uncork Yourself. I am your host, Lynn Kuhn, and this is a podcast that brings to you a firsthand look at what it seriously means to meet people where they are in their life. Enjoy the experience from illusions to reality. Find out what it is to restore to high performance, renew your freedoms, and rejuvenate playfulness. I can't wait to share with you my experience and the experiences of many others in hopes that you feel inspired to renew yourself and live your best life. Thanks for listening. Now let's get started. The journey through life is a series of events we all experience, good, bad, or indifferent. Every step that is taken in our life's journey has led us to where we are today. So embrace it. My name is Lynn Kuhn, and I am the founder and host of Seriously Uncork Yourself. This is a podcast that brings to you a firsthand look at what it seriously means to meet people where they are at in their life. Enjoy the experience from illusions to reality. Find out what it is to restore to high performance, which is an ongoing feeling of full engagement, joy, and confidence that comes from consistently living from your best self. Then, renewing your freedoms, such as mindset freedoms, relationship freedoms, self-care freedoms. This is a great platform that will bring out many exciting new freedoms that you may not have explored before, or may not realize you have, or maybe afraid to address. And lastly, yet so important, is to rejuvenate playfulness. I just love this one, as it simply is to have fun, bring the joy, be the youthful, laughing, living, loving completely in the present moment. Life embattled me with addiction, guilt, ugliness, pain, loss, hardships, and fear. It has taken me to turn every pebble, every stone, every boulder of circumstances, and a mixed bag of emotions to be who I am today. I don't love everything about myself, but I can say that I am loving me more than ever before. There was a time when I hated myself, but really had no clue why. Do you feel the same way? Experiencing all these circumstances and up and down emotions had to happen to me to get me where I am today. I am a wife, a mother of 6, and a grandmom of 10, a certified high-performance coach, and a home-based business owner. And I do understand the need for simplicity in one's daily life. After many years of working for someone else as a part-time entrepreneur in the health and wellness field, I have now utilized many years of extensive training and personal experience in developing simplified strategies to coach and guide individuals to become successful in life and in their business. I enable my clients to become more aligned with their life's purpose and vision and help them achieve their breakthrough to the next level. Is there anything you're currently recovering from? Toxic health? Financial crisis? Workaholism? As someone who supports those in recovery, I have come to realize that recovery isn't just one moment in time. It is a process that truly never ends because of the decision that your life needs to change in order to become better. In recovery, the individual achieves improved health, well-being, and quality of life. It is a process that is not straightforward and does not happen overnight. This process requires intentional steps towards specific goals. It is filled with difficult challenges, triumphant achievements, and more highs and lows that can be counted. It is crucial to understand what the steps are in the process of recovery. It is like having a roadmap or GPS in a car. It does not eliminate curves or road signs, or in our case, other sabotaging people. But having a plan will make it a whole heck of a lot easier to keep your way and avoid getting lost more often than not. Let me empower you to stay committed to recovery as you journey in faith toward a more purposeful, prosperous, and healthy life. As someone who has healed from a traumatic life event, unless that person intentionally works on habits that create a new perspective and healing emotions, there's always a chance to fall back into old habits. As a high-performance coach, there are 6 high-performance habits that I focus on with my clients. And as part of the science-based high-performance coaching process. Let me share with you my favorite of the 6 to generate energy so that you can maintain focus, effort, and well-being. To stay on your A game, you'll need to actively care for your mental stamina, physical energy, and positive emotions in specific ways. You can choose to generate energy anytime you want through the power of habit. Allow me to guide you in how to let go of the past, get rid of the bad, and embrace the good. I can't wait to share with you my experiences and the experiences of many others in hopes that you feel inspired to renew yourself and live your best life. Your life happens the way it is meant to be. It is time to embrace it and live in every moment. Thank you so much for listening. Now, seriously, uncork yourself. Thank you for tuning into the show. I hope this brought out your passions, ignited you, and inspired you to restart and reclaim your life. Please subscribe to my podcast and feel free to leave a rating and a review. Until the next episode of Seriously Uncork Yourself, you can check out more information at lynnkuhn.com. That's Lynn, L-Y-N-N, Kuhn, Kuhn.com. Be sure to tune in for my next episode. Sending you all peace and love until our next time together. Seriously Uncork Yourself.